Hi guys, so we just got up to Tawas, Michigan, and I just got done unpacking all, well, most of our stuff, and I thought I'd give you a tour of our VRBO, Vacation Rental by Owner. It is an apartment on top of G's Pizzeria in Tawas, Michigan, where we love to eat. So we thought, what better place to stay than above the pizzeria? So there's a door down here that's on the side of the pizzeria, and you get a code and you come in and you've got to come up all these stairs, only negative. And then there's this little spot here where you can drop your water shoes, drop your floaties, and all that, and knock the sand off you before you come in. And then there's a door here, and I've already got our beach towels all hung up. This is our first time staying here too, by the way. Got all our beach towels ready for the beach. There's a, I'm not sure what's in here. It's like a utility closet. It has broom and vacuum. And then in this door is the laundry area. So you can walk, oh, I'm zooming in, sorry guys. Do some laundry, wash your beach towels. And then all this heavy equipment here is probably for the downstairs pizzeria. And then you walk this way and this is your living area. The lighting looks horrible. Big couch. And I think there's something on my screen. Hold on guys. I see a little dot on there. Maybe it's from the lighting. Okay, here we go. This looks a little bit better, true to color. Got a big couch here, TV. My husband is already, I don't know if you can see him out there on the porch, little balcony, smoking a cigar. Little desk area here. Let me show you the view out the window. Here's the view out the window. There's a hotel over here. We've stayed in that hotel before. We stayed there last year actually. There's the pier with all the boats. Lake Huron. Right across the street is the beach. Little balcony area here. That's the front part of G's Pizzeria. And then over here's the little dining area. And the kitchen. And then out here is part of town, people walking around. The main part of town is actually on this side of the building where all the shops are. Then we have this long hallway, and there's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Right here is my husband and I's bedroom. It's a king size sleep number bed. I've never slept on a sleep number bed, so I'm interested to see how it is. And then there's another sliding door here out to the balcony. And then we have this little lounging chair here. Another dresser, mirrors on the wall, and then back here, I don't know if I looked in here yet. Oh, it's a closet with an extra pillow. Then over here is another big closet. Hi guys. I just have our suitcase and bag in there. A couple towels. And then down here is our bathroom. The shower, vanity, and toilet. Really big bedroom, you guys. It's almost the size of the hotel rooms across the street. And they cost about the same amount of money as this whole, I think this is 1,800 square feet. It's bigger than our house. It's bigger than our house. Here's the kids' bedroom, or bathroom. And shower. And then, let's see what's in here. Oh, all the towels and stuff. And then here's where I think my daughter is staying in here. Oh yes. Let me turn on the light. Sorry, she still has the window shut. And they all the bedrooms have their own personal air conditioner too. And she's got it chilly in here. Oh my goodness. They're already walking around town shopping. As soon as we got here, they threw their stuff in and there they were. And here's my sons, and here they are. They're already back.
How's it going, Schnauzer channel?
You already bought stuff?
Yeah.
One thing. There isn't that much stuff.
There isn't?
No.
It's all picked over?
Yeah.
I want to die.
Why? You don't like shopping? Okay, so there's our little vacation rental. And I'm sure we're gonna enjoy a lot of beach time. I know I am. howling. What?
Wait, Mama!
Did you hear Marley howling? They're licking my ear. This is gonna. This has to be some horrible videos. They were putting. Oh my goodness! You were putting your tongues in my ear. Yes, you were. Hi. This is some horrible videotaping. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta go love on the boys.